In this video, we'll go over how to use the COR Pricing Agent and its current capabilities. The COR Pricing Agent is available on the Create, Edit, and Revise Detailed Change Order Request forms. It is displayed as a side panel on the left side of the form. A project must be selected before you can interact with the agent. After the project is selected, you will see a short note about the different modes. Agent mode, which analyzes your prompts and edits the form directly. Plan mode, which requests your approval before proceeding with any edits. And Ask mode, which will only answer your questions about the COR and never make any edits. Regardless of which mode you're in, the agent will never save or send the COR on your behalf, so you'll always be the final reviewer before committing to any changes. With that, we'll mark this got it, and let's begin by going into agent mode and recording a voice note. We can start the voice note by clicking this microphone icon, and we'll say, create a change order request based off ASI 14. The exam room 312 becoming a CT suite, 20 hours journeyman drywall installer, 20 hours journeyman tapered finisher, and 6 hours foreman. We hit stop recording, the system will transcribe, and you will have the option to make any edits here before sending your message. I think that looks good, so we'll go ahead and send. The agent will show you that it's thinking, and then when your request is processed, you'll see the form updated and a summary of the changes written in the chat. So we can go through the form and see that the title, description, and labor have been added. You may have also noticed that the rates have been populated, and this is because the agent has context to the rates you have configured on the selected project, so you can be sure it uses your rates. So let's wrap this up by going into plan mode and asking it to also add 900 square foot of gypsum board type X, update the reference number to ASI 14, and offer a more descriptive description. So again, we'll wait for it to transcribe, we'll send that message, and again, the agent will show you that it's thinking. However, because we're in plan mode, the agent will show you a card of its recommended changes. As you can see here, it shows you what it plans to change the description to, its recommended reference number based off of what you asked it to do, and the material. If it looks good, you can apply, or you can dismiss if you don't agree with it. We're going to go ahead and apply this recommendation. And as you can see, our reference number has been updated, description updated, and the material updated. So these are just a few examples, but the agent has more capabilities, like the ability to price out signed tags on this project by simply referencing the tag number, title, or reference number, attaching received downstream CORs as backup, or even advanced editing capabilities with the existing line items by doing math, like adding hours to each of these quantities, multiplying the rate by a certain percentage or multiplier, if that's applicable to you. Or you can even add attachments by using this attach file button. So for example, if you have equipment invoices or even an external spreadsheet and paper tickets that you've used to manage this change, you could send it here and have the agent digitize it for you. Now right now it cannot do a full takeoff from a set of drawings just yet, but we do plan on rapidly expanding its capabilities. So as you use this agent, please let us know what you think and send any positive or negative feedback our way. And we hope it becomes very useful for your day-to-day workflow. Thanks,